This is a KUBOTA KX057-5. It just come in today. It's got, I have to look how many hours it's got, not many. Auxiliary hydraulics, splitter valve on it. It's got a pin-on thumb, 24-inch brand new bucket, quick coupler, 5 teeth on it. There's a 4-way hydraulic blade, bolt-on cutting edge, enclosed cab, air conditioned heat radio. I think it's got the, does it have the push button start on this one? The code? Yeah, it's got a code to start. Loaded up for bear. Go ahead, Jay. We haven't washed it, cleaned it. It was trade-in, knocked down, traded back into the Kubota digger. Jay, how many hours is on this?
87.
87 hours. It's brand new. It's got big time warranty on it. We just unloaded it. We've been waiting for probably a month on it. Guy was waiting on his new one. This is just where it come in. We haven't washed it, cleaned it, or anything. Okay, Jay.